All right, it is Saturday, a little after 2:30. Doing a little evening fishing. I'm gonna try to fish until dark. It's according to how the bite is. Kind of excited. Got a different color Bucca trick shad. I forgot what the color is, so I'll put it on the screen. Also, I like to buy the limited batch NLBNs, so I got a OG green limited batch for April, and fishing with one of my favorite baits, which is the Dirty Jig Swim Jig. With this time I'm putting, I think it's a Berkeley, I'll have to look and I'll let you know, trailer. It's a little bigger crawl trailer, so we're gonna give that a try. I'm gonna start with the glide bait, the Bucca, and then just try to catch some fish, try to have some fun. So the other day I went out without the camera and I hung into a large snook, probably I'm guessing 40 inches, close to, on one of the trick shads. And yeah, that's what we're trying to do today. And that same day, without cameras, and I know that sounds funny, but I had the biggest bass I've ever had in my life. So both of them, I lost both of them. So yeah, it's the story about the one that got away, but it is. All right, let's do this. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna catch fish. And if we don't, you'll never see this. All right. Might as well throw in front of my house, or behind my house. Still got a lot of tilapia moving around in here, so you'll see some swirls at times, and it's tilapia. A lot of tilapia. Oh, that's a good bass, y'all. That's a good bass. All right, see if I can get them without getting a hook in our finger. Here we go. All right. Boy, he inhaled this guy. Woof. Where did it go? Oh, all right, this is gonna be a tough one, guys. I haven't had one like this in a long time. All right, we're gonna get him back. He is bleeding. I don't know about that one, y'all. That was not good. We don't want that. It's a great fish. It's a great game fish. Not a great start to the day, though. Uh-oh. What do we got? It's coming to me quick. Oh boy. I saw it come up and get it. Then it went down. That was fun. I don't know if the bank or the drop would be better, but I'm gonna stick with the bank for a while. His eyeballs are bigger than his belly. He's not hardly big enough to be wanting this type of bait. It's a little thin too. Oh, back. Whoa. All right. Water all over the cameras indeed. Got another good one. Well, I say he's a good one. It's not little. Oh, all right. I think feels good. All right. All right, it's a decent fish. I think I got it foul hooked because it feels like a log. I saw it, so it's not as big as it's acting. Yeah, no, it's not bad though. Whoa, it foul hooked on its gill. Alright. It splashed water all over me. Not bad. You expect a little more on a bait that big though. Alright, I gotta clean my camera up a little bit because my face is completely wet, so I assume my camera is too. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna back off these and fish the swim jig through it. Or should I do the NLBN? I think the swim jig. Alright, let's do this a few times. this a bass? My son. All right, we got, oh, nice. Oh, he's an acrobat. Hopefully you can see it through my arm. Oh, I know. Oh, it's on your tongue, ain't it? It's, oh, yeah, it hurts. I know. It's a different kind of bass. I'm gonna take a look here in a second, but looks like it's spotted. Got spots all over it. See little spots on its side. It's a good bass. It's a good one. All right. Go, buddy. Go get big ones. Biggers. All right. Well, it's hitting this pretty good. Okay. Tail's been on good. I think we're gonna go down this bank. These rocks, I kind of like the rocks. Even though not much of the rocks is in the water, but I think they're feeding on minnows that are trying to hang out in those. Oh no. I should have checked on my leader. My leader broke. Oh, my leader broke. And the $30 bait went to the bottom. Dragging through some crap. This is, what do we got here? This don't fight like a bass. It is a bass though. All right. .75 OG green NLBN. That sucker will do it. Fish. Good little fish, actually. You see it? Well, that was upsetting, guys. Losing that glide bait. I think it's $38 through Dick's. You can sometimes get them cheaper through Amazon, but you gotta watch it. I've got ripped off there. Dang. 38 bucks. Poof. That's just bad fishing right there, guys. Just being lazy. Sprinkling on me. But that's being lazy, folks. You gotta check your leader. You know, because it goes through the eye so many times. All right, we got the dirty jig. So we're gonna work these grasses slow. The only grass that could get hooked around the dirty jig, and it did it. God bless me. All right, let's do better. Let's do better. All right. He hit it while it was just sitting there. Not a bad fish at all. All right, boys and girls. What do you think about that? That's a hog. 2, 3, 3, 4, 3. You know, I think it's 3. Probably 3 on the dot. Zeroed. 3.4. 3.4. So I was pretty close. Pretty close. All right, let's put this baby back. You want to do a trick for us? Nope. It's okay. I wouldn't do a trick for you, for me either. I had something hit it again. It likes it when it's slow and right under me right now. I don't know if you can see the little hole. Probably just tilapia in there, but oh, that was an exact perfect cast. On that exact perfect cast, we got us an exact perfect fish. Oh, baby. Gosh. Oh, he took my trailer too. Yeah, I gotta fix my line. It was all jacked up. That was another 4-pounder. Another 4-pounder or so. Jigger crawl. They got a good smell to them. Yeah, you just have to, one thing you have to remember is after you put them on, you'll break the claws apart. Plumb close to as good as I can get it anyway. I like that. Well, something was tearing it apart. Must have been a small fish. I don't know. Could have been, well, could have been a, what do you call, a gar as well. The way it was biting. They can't really get things in their mouth too great. I'm gonna throw it in the same hole that I got that last fish in. I saw it. It was a good fish again. All right. Oh, little fish. He's ferocious though. He's ferocious. Ferocious little fella. good. I saw it. It was big. I didn't set the hook right. Gosh. It's a small fish. Little small fish. I've got some dogs worked up though. We had a pretty good day. We started out with the Mike Bucca trick shad. It caught several fish until the leader broke and the $38 bait went to the bottom before I could get to it. Then we caught a few on the OG green NLBN paddle tail, 3.75. And I'd say really the amount of fish for the time fished, the dirty jig, swim jig with it was the Berkeley chigger crawl, I think it was. I think that kind of worked out best. Other than that, you know, it's been a good day. Good day of fishing. I'll put a video together and we'll see how it comes out. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I had a good day.